Is that duct tape?
It is.
A man on a mission to fix the world's problems, one roll of duct tape at a time.
Hey there. It's your neighborhood duct tape guy.
No rake is too broken. No car seat too torn.
Hey, buddy.
Shop vacs. Bird houses. This guy doesn't need tools. He's got duct tape.
Good to go.
If you have a problem and nobody else can help, maybe your neighborhood needs Duct Tape Man.
There you go, little guy. Go back to being a branch.
When you hear that tear, you know the fix is in.
That gets the job done.
Hey, guys.
The Duct Tape Man. Coming soon to a neighborhood near you.